Well, when we got to the campground, I turned the water heater on. There's a switch inside the unit, and it comes on for a few seconds and then shuts off. So I kind of knew what the problem was. Inside the water heater there's this device called the igniter, and it has two little electrodes in there that spark when you hit the switch inside the unit, and that lights the gas. And then as the electrodes heat up, they close, and that tells the water heater that it's working, that the flame is there and everything's okay. Well, after a while, these electrodes get corroded, so it was pretty simple to fix. There's some screws here. I think there's like 5 screws, and you can pull out this whole assembly and then just clean up the electrodes with a little sandpaper. And then I put them back in and reset this to where it was before, this opening, and the water heater is fine, and we've got hot water heater now.